Many people say that there is not much money on YouTube and they don't show how much money they make. But let me be honest with you. There is a lot of money on YouTube. I will show you how you can earn more money as a YouTuber. Moreover, in this video I will show you 6 different methods, and for the last 2 methods you don't need to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. In addition to this channel, I also have a different YouTube channel where I used to share videos on that channel about YouTube growth and help you become a YouTuber, which I still continue on that channel, but I don't make YouTube growth videos. Guys, if creating videos is something that you love, you can be a YouTuber. YouTube can be your thing. You can make money from YouTube. Methods that I'm gonna show you in this video will help you do just that. There's no need to keep YouTube as a hobby. So let's see how we can make even more money as YouTubers. The first method that will help YouTubers to make more money is Super Thanks. YouTube introduced this feature a few months ago, and basically it's a donation system. Viewers can donate any amount they want to you, and they can also write a comment. Then you can see these donations in the comment section. This can greatly affect a YouTuber's income because just one person can donate up to 500 euros in just one donation. If 2 people donate like that, that means extra $1,000 in your income. Of course, it's up to your viewers to do that, to donate or not, but if you provide honest and quality videos, they will probably use that feature to thank you. If they love you, they will support you to keep doing this job. By the way, you need to be on the YouTube Partner Program to be able to open this feature and to use this feature, so basically you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time. Another way is to earn money with joint memberships. You can add subscription options at different levels to your channel, and the price of each level will be different, and you will offer different things to your subscribers. Frankly, I don't offer that much to my joint subscribers on my other YouTube channel, but they still subscribe there just because they love me and they want to support me, and I'm grateful for that. When you join the YouTube Partner Program, you can come to the membership section from here, and you can add up to 6 different membership levels. The third method is to make money with ad revenue. This is the most common and well-known YouTube monetization method. You make a video, people watch your video, and while they watch your video, they see ads, and you make money like that. But there are some things that affect your ad revenue. Is it possible to earn more money? Of course, if your views go up, your revenue goes up as well, but that's not necessary. You can increase your revenue in different ways. But first, let's understand the logic. If you meet the requirements of 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time and you join the partner program, you can go to the YouTube studio, and from here you can come to the revenue page. On the revenue page, you can see how much money you make. But the important thing here is the RPM. The RPM shows how much money you make per 1000 views. So on my Turkish channel, I make 22.71 Turkish liras per 1000 views. If that goes up, my revenue goes up. If that goes down, my revenue goes down. So how can you make this go up? Well, you have 2 options. The first option is to change the content of your videos, as not all the content on YouTube make the same money. For example, a gaming channel and a finance channel does not make the same money for the same amount of views, because the advertisers pay less per channel on the gaming category. Advertisers can pay higher for categories like finance, make money, crypto. Besides, we can say that the money is distributed accordingly. I mean, there are more gaming channels on YouTube than finance channels, and naturally the advertiser's budget is spent across all channels on the YouTube, and that means less money per channel. Your second option is to make videos in English, because even the country of your viewers affect your income. How does? Let me give you a simple example. When you enter a video, you see ads on your native language, right? If you live in America, in English. If you live in Germany, in German, because you live in your country. When you see an ad on your native language, that channel owners earn money depending on the advertiser on your country that paid for that ad. However, if a viewer from America enters the video and watches the video and sees an ad, they see an ad in English, and the channel owner will earn money depending on how much the American advertiser pays. And the highest paying advertisers are from United Kingdom, America, Canada, Australia. Yeah, those are the ones. But to understand better, let's say a Turkish advertiser pays 5 Turkish liras per ad view. By the way, I just made up those numbers, so they're not real numbers. But let's say an American advertiser pays $5 per a single ad view. 5 Turkish liras and $5. Well, if we convert Turkish liras into dollars, we can see that 5 Turkish liras make 27 cents, not even $1. So you can understand the difference. The fourth method is to make money by live streaming. When you live stream, you can interact with your subscribers, and your subscribers can donate you money through super stickers and super chats. If you're not in the YouTube Partner Program, you can get donation links from Streamlabs, for example, and your followers can donate and support you through a different platform. There's also the option to open ads on your live stream, but I don't know how much money you can make with that, since I don't use ads on my live streams. I turn it off, but it's an option. The fifth method is affiliate marketing, and you don't need to have 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time to make money with this method. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's pretty simple actually. You know, there are YouTubers who put their gear in the description of their videos and you go and buy them from there. Well, when you buy these products from their links, they make money. It's actually a pretty easy way to make money. You share a link of a product, and when someone clicks that link and buys that product or service, you make money and you don't even need to do something extra. How much money you will make now may vary depending on the price of the product, how much sales that product got, the website, I mean how much commission they give you, but you can get affiliate links from Amazon. Or let me give you an example from myself. I made videos about Bitcoin in my channel and I used my referral link, my affiliate link under those videos. You signed up with that link and I made money. This is an option as well. I even made a dedicated video about affiliate marketing on my channel, so if you want, you can watch that too. The sixth and last method is sponsors. In this method, you don't need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Of course, because your follower count is low, you will probably not get that many sponsors, but it's not impossible to get one. I mean, I did get a sponsor in this channel before I was 1,000 subscribers. However, the sponsors does not pay you that much money because you don't have that many followers. They either pay you very little, naturally, or you make an affiliate deal. So you make the video and they give you a percentage in every customer or registration that comes from you. But still, it's an option. I mean, when you have high follower numbers, you can make a lot of money from sponsors. Of course, I cannot share my sponsorship incomes here, but I can say that you can make way more money that you can make with your YouTube ad revenue. In short, if you can be watched on YouTube and your subscribers love you, you can make a lot of money, which is not out of reach. You can do this too. Yes, I did not reach millions of subscribers, but still, I did get somewhere. My other YouTube channel, I have 40,000 subscribers. On this channel, I have 1,000. I didn't have anything special, I just worked hard. Likewise, you can do it too. Just be willing and work hard. So, take care. See you again in the next videos. Bye bye.